Good morning, friends. Today I like to make an introduction on how to become a railway successful railway engineer. To become a successful railway engineer, you must have theoretical as well as practical ability. The difference between an engineer and a technician is an engineer must be theoretically strong with practical ability, but a technician must be practically strong with theoretical ability. Mainly, engineer should guide the technician to execute the work, and technician should understand the guidance of engineer. It has been told that Indian railway engineers are somewhat administrator with less practical ability. It is the average tendency for direct officer, but exception is there. When engineers are in supervisor level, they are well connected with the field and it is a big opportunity. It has been told that if you cannot express your knowledge, then it will be accepted you are incapable or your knowledge is dumb. From theory, if it is implemented in field and must be envisaged by engineers to express his idea, he must know how to prepare drawing, maybe hand sketch or PowerPoint presentation or AutoCAD, but it is must. Better to know AutoCAD or modern drawings software. He needs to make presentation in PowerPoint slide, drawing and animation on PowerPoint is very much helpful to describe anything. Another side is physical fitness. For this, better to do exercise as a routine work. Self confidence is another side. With the knowledge, he will gain self confidence when it will be practically implemented at site. No more today. Thanks.